Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a MACD on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software and choose your currency. So for me, I will choose, let's see, AUD USD, for example. Okay. After that, go to Insert, Indicators, and choose this one, oscillators. Okay, after that go to MACD, and as you can see here we have the parameters. You can change the parameters if you want. So as you can see here we have fast MA 12, we have MACD SMA, we have 9. You can change it however you want. Okay, we have also the slow AMA 26. We have main discolor, silver, and this one red. You can also add some levels if you want. Okay, after that just click on OK. And as you can see, this is our MACD. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.